In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address on the contact form in Squarespace. If messages from your website aren't landing where you expect, updating the recipient email on your contact form will fix that fast. You'll do this right inside the form settings, and it takes just a minute. Make sure you're logged into your site with permission to edit pages and receive form notifications. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and navigating to the page that contains your contact form. Move your mouse over the form until you see it highlight. Click the form to select it. This ensures you're working with the exact block that collects visitor messages. When the form is selected, look for the small pencil icon that appears near it. Click that pencil icon to open the form's settings. This is where all of the form's options live, including fields, design, and most importantly for today, notifications. If you don't see the icon at first, try clicking directly on the forms area again, or switch into edit mode if you're viewing the live page. Inside the form settings, scroll until you find the section is labeled Email Notifications. This is the control panel that tells Squarespace where to send new submissions. It's separate from design or field settings, so be sure you're in the notifications area before making changes. Next, click the email address that's currently listed. That field represents the inbox that's receiving your contact form messages right now. Clicking it makes the field editable, so you can replace it. Now type the email address you want to use going forward. Choose an inbox that's checked regularly and double check for typos. Mistakes here mean missed messages. If your organization uses shared team inboxes, that can be a great choice for faster follow-up. Some accounts may prompt you to verify the address. If that happens, complete the quick verification so messages can be delivered. Once you've entered the new address, your change is applied to the form. Depending on your version, you may see a Done or Save option in the editor. If you do, click it to keep your update. To confirm everything is working, submit a quick test message through your own contact form and look for the notification in the new inbox. If you don't see it, check spam or junk folders, and make sure any forwarding or filters on that mailbox aren't diverting the message. That's it. You've updated the recipient for your Squarespace contact form, so future inquiries go exactly where you need them. Thanks for watching and happy building.